Welcome to the world of sustainable woodworking, where creativity meets environmental responsibility. In an age where eco-consciousness is more important than ever, utilizing scrap and salvage wood offers artisans a unique opportunity to create beautiful, functional pieces while contributing positively to the planet. This guide explores the intricacies of this niche market, providing insights into sourcing materials, production techniques, marketing strategies, and customer engagement. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, you'll find valuable information to help you thrive in this rewarding field. As we delve into the various aspects of working with reclaimed wood, you'll discover how to tap into consumer trends favoring sustainability and authenticity. From understanding market demands to implementing effective customer engagement strategies, this guide aims to equip you with the knowledge and tools necessary for success. Join us on this journey to transform discarded materials into exceptional creations that not only reflect your craftsmanship but also resonate with eco-conscious consumers. Together, we can make a meaningful impact in the woodworking industry and promote a more sustainable future. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. Your support is invaluable as it helps us reach a wider audience of individuals who are passionate about sustainable woodworking and eco-friendly practices. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest content, including tips, tutorials, and insights that will inspire your own woodworking journey. We encourage you to engage with us in the comments section, sharing your thoughts and experiences, as we love to hear from our community. Don't forget to hit that like button if you find the content helpful. It really motivates us to keep creating. And be sure to stay tuned until the end of the video, where we'll share some exciting tips and exclusive insights that you won't want to miss. Thank you for being an essential part of our journey toward promoting sustainability in woodworking. This analysis delves into the various aspects of this niche market, examining sourcing, production, marketing, and the challenges faced. Consumer trends. As consumers become more environmentally aware, the demand for sustainable products has surged. Many are seeking items that reflect their values, leading to a rise in popularity for reclaimed wood products. This trend is particularly strong among millennials and Gen Z, who prioritize sustainability in their purchasing decisions. Market segmentation. Identifying specific market segments can enhance profitability. Potential target audiences include eco-conscious homeowners, interior designers, and businesses looking to furnish their spaces sustainably. Understanding the preferences of these groups can help tailor products and marketing strategies effectively. Sourcing scrap and salvage wood. Building relationships with local contractors and demolition companies is essential for sourcing reclaimed wood. Often, these entities have large quantities of wood that would otherwise be discarded. Networking within your community can lead to opportunities for free or low-cost materials. Digital platforms such as Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, and specialized timber recovery sites can be valuable for finding reclaimed wood. These platforms often feature listings from individuals and businesses looking to sell or give away excess wood. Assessing the quality of reclaimed wood is crucial. Wood should be checked for structural integrity, signs of pests, and moisture content. Developing a keen eye for quality can help avoid costly mistakes that arise from using inferior materials. Investing in the right tools is critical for working with reclaimed wood. Standard woodworking tools may suffice, but specialized equipment like planers and jointers can enhance the quality of finished products. Additionally, safety gear is essential due to potential contaminants in older wood. Mastering various woodworking techniques enhances product quality and uniqueness. Continuous learning through workshops, online courses, and practice can improve skills, allowing for more intricate designs and higher value products. Creativity plays a significant role in product design, emphasizing the wood's natural characteristics, such as knots and grain patterns, can lead to stunning pieces. Collaborating with designers can also introduce fresh perspectives and innovative ideas. Building an online presence. Developing a strong online presence is vital for reaching a broader audience. Creating a professional website and engaging on social media platforms can showcase products effectively. High-quality images and storytelling about the wood's history can attract potential buyers. Content marketing, educating consumers through blogs, videos, and social media posts about the benefits of reclaimed wood can bolster brand authority. Sharing DIY tips or showcasing the crafting process can engage customers and encourage them to share your content. Collaborations and partnerships. Financial considerations, cost analysis. Understanding the costs associated with sourcing, production, and marketing is essential for pricing products competitively. A thorough cost analysis can help determine the minimum profit margin, ensuring sustainability and longevity in the business. Pricing models. Adopting various pricing strategies, such as cost-plus pricing, value-based pricing, or tiered pricing, can maximize revenue. Offering different product lines at various price points can attract a wider customer base. Funding options. Exploring funding options, such as small business loans, grants for sustainable practices, or crowdfunding, can provide the necessary capital for growth. Presenting a solid business plan focused on sustainability can attract potential investors. Challenges and solutions. Material variability. One of the significant challenges of working with reclaimed wood is its variability. Each piece can differ significantly in size, shape, and quality. Developing flexible designs that can accommodate these variations can mitigate potential issues. Ensuring that reclaimed wood is sourced legally and ethically is imperative. Understanding local regulations and maintaining transparency with customers about sourcing practices can build trust and credibility. Market competition. The woodworking industry's shift towards sustainability presents a lucrative opportunity for those willing to embrace scrap and salvage wood. By understanding market demands, mastering production techniques, and implementing effective marketing strategies, woodworkers can create profitable businesses that align with eco-friendly values. While challenges exist, a commitment to quality and sustainability can pave the way for long-term success in this niche market. Customer education. Educating customers about the benefits of reclaimed wood and sustainable practices can enhance engagement. Providing resources such as blog posts, tutorials, or videos can empower customers and position your brand as an authority in the field. Workshops or online classes can also serve as educational opportunities while promoting your products. Personalized communication. Utilizing personalized communication strategies can significantly improve customer relationships. Tailoring marketing messages based on customer preferences, past purchases, or browsing behavior can make interactions feel more relevant. Personalized emails or targeted promotions can enhance the shopping experience and encourage repeat business. Social media engagement. Active engagement on social media platforms can create a dynamic dialogue with customers. Sharing user-generated content, responding to comments, and hosting live Q&A sessions can foster a sense of connection. Encouraging customers to share their own projects or experiences with your products on social media can also create a community of brand advocates. Post-purchase follow-up. Implementing post-purchase follow-up strategies can enhance customer satisfaction. Sending thank you emails, requesting feedback, or offering tips for product care can make customers feel valued. This follow-up can also serve as an opportunity to introduce related products or promotions, encouraging future purchases. Exclusive events. Hosting exclusive events, such as product launches, open houses, or behind-the-scenes tours, can deepen customer engagement. These events provide opportunities for customers to connect with your brand on a personal level, learn more about your products, and meet other like-minded individuals. In conclusion, wooden wall clocks represent a profitable niche in the home decor market. With their aesthetic appeal and functional benefits, they attract a wide audience. Whether you're a consumer or an entrepreneur, the potential of this market is worth exploring. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Referral programs. Creating a referral program can capitalize on satisfied customers' networks. Offering discounts or rewards to customers who refer friends and family can drive new business while rewarding loyal customers. This strategy leverages the power of word-of-mouth marketing and can significantly expand your customer base. Feedback integration. Actively integrating customer feedback into your product development process can demonstrate responsiveness and commitment to quality. When customers see their suggestions being implemented, it enhances their sense of ownership and loyalty to your brand. Regular updates about changes made based on feedback can further solidify this bond. These strategies, when implemented effectively, can create a robust customer engagement framework that not only enhances satisfaction but also drives long-term loyalty and growth for your woodworking business. Customization options. Detail various customization options available for wooden wall clocks. Talk about personalized engravings, color choices, and size variations that can cater to individual customer preferences. The role of design trends. Analyze how design trends influence the styles of wooden wall clocks. Discuss popular trends such as Scandinavian minimalism, industrial chic, and bohemian styles, and how they affect consumer buying behavior. Customer engagement. Loyalty programs. Implementing loyalty programs or incentives for repeat customers can enhance retention. Offering discounts or exclusive products to returning customers can encourage ongoing engagement and sales. Thank you for watching the video. We truly appreciate your time and interest in sustainable woodworking. Your support means a lot to us, and we hope you found the information both inspiring and informative. Our goal is to foster a community that values creativity, craftsmanship, and environmental responsibility, and your engagement helps us achieve that mission. We encourage you to explore our other videos for more tips, tutorials, and insights that can enhance your woodworking skills and deepen your understanding of eco-friendly practices. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments section. We love hearing from you and learning about your own woodworking journeys. Remember to subscribe for more great content. And don't hesitate to share this video with friends or anyone who might benefit from it. Together, we can promote a more sustainable approach to woodworking and inspire others to create beautiful pieces while caring for our planet. Thank you once again for being part of our community, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.